welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making a pineapple upside down cake for my great grandma's birthday. This is going to be really fun, and I think it's really easy because there's like not as many ingredients, so it should be really easy. So for this recipe, it calls for a box cake, so that's what we're doing. We're just substituting a few ingredients. So first what you need will be just a yellow or white box cake, 12 pineapple slices, light brown sugar. So you want to drain the pineapple slices and then just leave the pineapple juice to substitute the water or milk in your box cake. Butter, pitted cherries, eggs, and vegetable oil. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow. So first, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And with a 9 by 13 inch pan, you want to first just spray it with like just a non-stick spray. So I'm gonna grab that really fast. Let's see. You can also do this while your oven is preheating, just to like make it go a little faster so you don't have to wait. So I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so that's actually going to take a little bit longer than I expected. And it's not going very fast. So for the cake, it actually says to whisk all the ingredients and then beat it. So I'm just going to follow that. So for the cake, you'll need your pineapple juice, eggs, oil, and your cake mix. So you're just going to combine all of those. For the white cake mix, it says to add egg whites. So just if you're using that, don't use the whole egg. Just use 3 egg whites. But I'm doing a yellow cake, so I'm using the egg white, or the egg yolk. And for substituting, you want to use for the water, instead use pineapple juice. And if it's not enough, you can just add a little more water. I'm just going to set it all together. Almost melted. Now you're just going to beat it together for about 2 minutes. Okay, so it's almost there. It's starting to bubble up a lot, so I'm just gonna take it out and let it cool the rest. Or not cool, let's see that, wow. Wow, okay, so just gonna let that be for a minute or two. Let's see. I'm gonna spatula and you just want to spread it all around over here. Let's see. Oh. So let's see. Bubble, bubble, sizzle, sizzle. Okay, so now just gonna take our brown sugar. Let's see, there we go. And just sprinkle it all in. And then we're just gonna place it in the middle. Because I mean, we don't want these to go to waste. I mean, that would just be cruel. So. Okay. Is this one gonna fit? Come on, you gotta fit. Okay, Yes, it fit. So that looks very good. Now just gotta put cherry time. Everybody loves these cherries. So we're just gonna place them in the middle of our pineapples. Okay, well, let's see. Now our batter. Let's see. Just getting all the batter in there. It smells so good. Oh, I love the smell of like these. They smell so good. I can taste the pineapple. That's good. I'll see you guys once that is all done. Okay, so that's been 40 minutes, and let's see. Ooh, that looks really good. I need another. Okay. Let's see. Wow, this looks amazing. It's gonna be so good. Okay. Now we're gonna let this cool for 5 minutes, no longer, because otherwise the brown sugar and the butter, it'll stick, and that won't be good. So we're just gonna let that cool for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 5 minutes. Actually it's been 6. So we just want to take this and flip it over. So I'm gonna grab this in case I have to set it down. And I probably will. But so do that. Take this and just go like that. Let's see. Oh yes, it flipped. Okay, now take this out. Like really hot.
Thousands of years later.
Do you see that steam? This looks so good though. That is amazing. This looks amazing. Like, well, it's gonna be amazing. So now we want to let this cool completely, and then we'll place it. I'm just gonna place it back in there off camera, but let's see. This is how it looks. It looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.